Hello people, welcome back to my channel. In my previous video I challenged myself to model these 4 items. I was able to model the bottle, but the pen was a disaster. So like I said in my previous video, I would take out time to learn it. So I was able to get a little bit better. So today I'll be modeling the pen using this reference here. So I'll load this in here. Okay, right. So the difficult part of the pen for me was this flat surface here and this hole, but I was able to get it not perfectly, but something close. So let me just show you guys. This is not a tutorial video, this is just to show you guys I was able to learn. I was able to improve from my last video. If you saw my last video, I could not model the pen at all. It was that difficult, but I've improved better than my previous video, and that is what I'm here to show you guys. So I'll make this editable at my subdivision surface. Let me name this cube, let me name this pen body, something like that. And here let me click on it, this KL, let me add one edge here, another one here, then I'll go to the top, add another one here, then I'll go to point mode 0, highlight this point, drag it out, so you can have that sort of rounded shape there. You understand what I mean? So yeah, let me see, is it perfectly smooth on the floor? Okay, something like that. So now we add our bowl, put this first. Is that the right order? Yeah, that's the right order. Okay, as you can see, the flat surface is already appearing, but I think we need to push the cube down a little bit more. Right, let me just do this so I can see what's happening. Let me just push it down. Yeah, about that. I think that's too much. Is that too much? Let me just come to this angle. So let me take this. Let me see that. Something like this. How is that from the top? No, that's too tight. We want that. Okay. Let's add some edge to make this a little bit flat. As you can see, it's curvy, which is not supposed to be. So KL, let me add another edge here to make it, let's see, yeah, it's looking better. So now we can take it up a little bit, about that. Yeah, okay. So as you can see, if you look at the reference, see, and you can see mine is like going in, so we'll adjust that. Let's come to this view, come this way, cube, then go to point mode, highlight this whole point and drag them up, highlight this one, take it up, and now we should have something that's a little bit better. Yes, forget about all these, we'll work on them later. All these things going on here, just ignore that for now. Okay, so yeah, it looks better. I'll put all of this in a group. Just reduce the size, come to this view, move it this way, still reduce it a little bit, just a little bit for it to like almost fit into it. Yeah, think about that. Okay, I'll increase the segment so it can be smooth. Yeah, then make it editable. 0, I'll delete this bottom part here. Delete that much, delete. I have to 0, highlight it this way, drag it out to like give it this kind of capsule shape. Then bring this here, about that, and double click, scale it down here. Let me go to the top view, scale, and move this way because it has to be like small hole. Think about that is fine, right? Okay, then E again, control, drag it down to extrude. Yeah, that's good enough. Okay, so let's take this down. This is very big, so T, let's scale it down to like align with this flat surface here. I think about, now let's take it down. About that is fine, we'll still adjust it. So okay, again, bold, this and this, is that the right order? Sphere, take it down. Okay, you can. Okay, so and we can see these things going on here. So I think we have 3 of them. So let me quickly do that. With that, I'll use a plane. Let's make it this way. Reduce it. Yeah, 0, 0. Let's measure the height about that. Yeah. So this is the plane. Let's make it editable. Then KL here. I'll do this, and here I'll select symmetrical. So you can have that. Then one more. Okay, E. Then I'll select this and this. From this view, I'll move them up. Then I'll add my subdivision surface, move them up. Okay, that's cool. KL. Okay, now we have to take out the symmetrical, add one here, then E, select this, scale it so you can have this rounded edge here. Okay, that looks good. Then highlight, where are you? This, highlight all of it. Extrude. Is 5 too much? I think 5 is fine. Nah, 5 might be too much. Let's have 3. Create caps, apply. Yeah, about 5 is okay. E, then we have to add some edge. KL is somewhere here. Yeah, and here. Okay, E, and that's fine. So let me put this view. Let's have this somewhere here. very close to the bottom and bring it this way. So where is the plane? This is the plane. This is the, let me say, pen top. I don't know. Yeah, and let me just name this bowl. Now come here, bowl, take this and okay, and there you have it. That's not looking too well. Where are you? Let's take it down, down. Is that no, let's take it this way. How is that? I think it's too short. Is it too short? No, that's fine. Okay, so let me go back this. Where are you? And let me no undo. I've come up to this way. T, yeah, something like that. Then I have to rotate this. No, yeah, I have to rotate this to be something like this. Then let's see, how does that look here? Yeah, that look cool. Let me stick it. No, no, that's too much. Okay, that look cool. These all these weird things going on here, we'll take care of them in a bit. Okay, now everything is in place. One of the most challenging parts for me was, is it called a knob? I don't know what it's called, like this edge here. For that, I use this reference. So let's go. Okay, for that I'll still use a plane. So I'll add one here, and one here, and should I add something? No, no, hold on. So I'll come to this view. Yeah, I needed to. Another one here. So that's it in the middle. Like, okay. E point mode. I'll take this point, drag it out to have a sharp edge. Take this point and this point, scale it out. Is that correct? No. I think this point and this point. Scale it out. Yes, something like that. Right. Then already let me add my subdivision surface. Let me call this knob. I don't know if it's called knob. I don't know why there's knob in my head, so I'll just call it knob, since that's what I have in my head. Okay, KL, I'll add another edge here, something here too, and add another one here and here, right? Okay, that looks good. Then I'll select this one, this point, this, 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 and that. Now go to the other side, this, and that. Then I hold down Control to extrude. That looks good. T to scale it in to like give it that rounded whatever. Then already, I think this looks like it. Okay, guys, so that is it. um it's not the most realistic, but I think um I did it. This is directly from Punisher. That's the guy that inspired me to make this video. I am pretty close. Okay, yeah, let's take care of all these weird things going on here. Okay, so first we have to convert this. Let's look at this. Okay, so this, control A, subdivide, and this. Okay, well, we're not done. Okay, this, polygon, control L. Okay, see, and then for this, let's leave it here. Thank you guys for watching. So in my next video, I'll be modeling the knife and the headphone. um let's hope I get them right. So till then, bye for now.